So let's see how to hard or factory reset your BERIBES Bluetooth headphones if you're dealing with a pairing or connection issues or if only one side is working. So if it's connected with any device with the same Bluetooth range, it's recommended to forget or unpair it from there. In case if you couldn't do it, it's fine, the reset will work no matter. Alright, so to initiate that process, if your headphones are turned on first, hold down the power button and turn it off. Now, press and hold down this power button once again until it goes into pairing mode showing red and blue LED. To reset it, you're going to hold down the power button and volume down key simultaneously together for 4 to 5 seconds until it flashes purple for a couple of times. That means the reset is complete, and then it'll go back to pairing mode showing red and blue LED. And then if you want, you can just go ahead, repair it to the device of your choice. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.